hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan, hindi makararating sa paroroonan. By Jose Rizal. Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonzo Rayolonda. The national hero of the Philippines and pride of the Malayan race. He was born on June 19, 1861 in the town of Calamba, Laguna. To Francisco Engracio Rizal Mercado y Alejandro and Teodora Morales Alonzo y Quintos. His father Francisco Mercado Rizal, an industrious farmer whom Rizal called a model of fathers, came from Binyan, Laguna. And his mother, Teodora Alonzo y Quintos, a highly cultured and accomplished woman whom Rizal called loving and prudent mother, was born in Masic, Santa Cruz, Manila. A documentary narrated by John Vincent Lintag, 9 Emerald. The end. Thank you for watching.